Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving yet another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. So the question I have here today is from this book right here, the Cambridge IGCSE and O level additional maths course book, exercise 2.1, question number 11. Let's get started. The question is xy is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 3. Now we're going to be moving x here, x from this side of the equation to the other side. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Now we're going to put the value of y into this equation. X into 3 minus x is equal to 2. 3x minus x square minus 2 is equal to 0. So I move the 2 from here, from the right side of the equation to the left side. So if we rearrange this, x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Taking minus 1 common, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Actually, the aim of uh, taking minus 1 common is to remove the minus sign from the first, the coefficient of x squared. So it's multiplying with all these numbers here. So we're going to take it there and divide it by 0. So 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. Up next, we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if we middle term break this, we get the answer, or we get the numbers of x squared minus 2x minus 3x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Because minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, and minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. So x common, x minus 2, and here we'll take minus 1 common, so x minus 2 again is equal to 0. We're going to take these two brackets as the same. So we have x minus 1 and x minus 2. This is too big, I don't want to erase the whole thing. I'll stick with it now. Is equal to 0. We're going to separate the two. So it's going to be on the side of the equation x equal to 1, x is equal to 1. I'll simplify it for you guys. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So now that we have the two values of x, we will put them in the original equation, which was, as we see here, x is equal to 3 minus, y is equal to 3 minus x. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 1. 2 comma 1. And here we have in coordinate form, one of the answers is 2 comma 1. And the other answer is y is equal to 3 minus 1, which is y is equal to 2. 1 comma 2. But the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. So this is how you solve these types of questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was, I believe, lecture number 10 on how to solve simultaneous equations. I hope you guys have found the series informative, or just for the people who are watching it for the first time, this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues who are struggling during exams, or just want to improve during summer vacations. And I'll see you guys next.